Welcome everyone from Castleview. Today's assembly is going to be about the values, which are to embrace challenges and to seek solutions. So the values are up here. All our assemblies are about the values, and hopefully you'll find this one interesting today. So first of all, what is embracing a challenge all about? Well, the dictionary definition says a challenge is something new and difficult which requires great effort and determination. And if you embrace a change or an idea, you accept it and start believing in it and believing that you can achieve it. That is very, very important that we all do that. So challenges are personal to you. Think about challenges that you have had to overcome and you've had to find solutions for. So what might be easy for you might be a challenge for somebody else. So what I'd like you to think about now is Captain Tom Moore, who you will have heard of with his well-publicised campaign to walk 100 laps of his garden to raise much-needed funds for the NHS charities at the midst of the COVID-19 crisis. So Captain Tom Moore trained as a civil engineer before enlisting in the British Army during World War II. He eventually rose to the rank of captain, and he served in posts overseas in India, Burma and Indonesia. When he was a young man fighting in the Second World War, he would never have thought that walking 100 laps of a garden would be a huge challenge. And here he is at 100 years old, having to seek solutions to overcome that challenge. So, seeking solutions is the key thing to overcome your challenges. Captain Tom Moore at 100 years old could never have achieved the 100-lap run of his garden if he did not have the support of his carers and people and his family and people working with him to support him in achieving this goal. This was a mammoth feat for a man who once in time was fighting for our freedom. So think about how you can seek support to overcome your challenges. Think about if you were told you would never walk again and having to seek solutions to overcome that challenge. Some people challenge themselves to run a marathon, to cycle to Paris. Every day, some people who may suffer from illnesses such as depression face a challenge of even getting out of bed in the morning, but they need support from others to do this. So seeking solutions to overcome your challenges is critical. Think about challenges that are personal to you. Think about challenges that you've overcome already in your life. Who's helped you to overcome those challenges? What did you do to overcome those challenges? How did you find the source of determination to do it? Now think about future challenges that you face. What are those challenges and what do you need to do to overcome them? What solutions do you need to find and who will help you to seek those solutions? We are here in school to help you overcome any challenges with your education. And our job is to make sure you get the qualifications you deserve. So seek support from us. We are here to help you seek your solutions. And outside of school, we are here to support you as well. Think about your wider friends and family. Who can you lean on? And also importantly, who can you support in overcoming their challenges? Thank you.